The Levoit Core 400S and Vital 200S are two of the most popular models from Levoit. On paper, they offer similar air cleaning power and they both come out of the same factory, but there are quite a few differences that might make one of them better than the other, depending on what you're looking for. I know that because I bought both models with my own money so I could use them at home and run a series of tests, including measuring their particle removal speed, energy consumption, sound generation, long-term running costs, and day-to-day user experience. I'll be honest with you, I originally went into this comparison assuming that the most expensive option would easily win. But at the end, it all came down to a feature that you probably weren't even considering. Before I tell you more about it, it's time to remind you that we are living in a world ruled by algorithms and upvotes. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like to signal to the YouTube gods that it's worth recommending it to other people. Okay, let's start by looking at independent lab results. I went into the AHAM directory and found the CADR certificate for both of these units. The Levoit Core 400S has a dust CADR of 240 CFM. This is slightly lower than the results achieved by the Vital 200S, which AHAM certified as having a dust CADR of 254 CFM. So when it comes to third-party performance tests, the Vital 200S is the better option over the Core 400S. But here's the thing. AHAM only tests air purifiers at top speed, so differences in power between the two models may show up at different fan speeds. That's why I've conducted our own CADR test at different fan speeds. But before I share my results, let's talk about the design. The most obvious difference between the two is the shape. The Vital 200S is a rectangular unit, whereas the Core 400S is cylindrical. And the shape affects how each device works and where you can use them around the house. They both release clean air through the top of the device, but the 200S pulls dirty air through the front, while the 400S pulls from all around. This allows the Vital 200S to be placed against the wall, whereas the Core 400S needs at least 15 inches of space on all sides to ensure correct airflow. On the flip side, the 400S is lighter than the 200S and takes up less space, so there are some benefits to the cylindrical design. The Vital 200S uses an infrared dust sensor that requires regular cleaning, while the Core 400S uses a laser sensor that doesn't need as much cleaning and is more accurate and sensitive to changes. Also, the Vital 200S has a second sensor for detecting light changes, so you can enable or disable functions when the unit detects darkness. Both units feature an air quality indicator ring on the top that changes colour depending on the readings from the sensors, but only the Core 400S displays PM 2.5 readings on the display. Other than that, you'll find that the controls at the top are pretty much the same, with even the same icons used for the different touchscreen buttons. But what about the app? Both models come with app support through the same VSync app, so you will be able to adjust fan speeds remotely, set timers, schedule routines, and customize auto mode and sleep mode. But there are some features that aren't there for the 400S. When accessing my Vital 200S through the app, I get the option to pick between auto, sleep, manual, and two new fans modes called Pet and DIY. I found that both of these fan modes are missing on my Core 400S, and I think this might be due to the fact that there is no light detection sensor on the 400S, and these special modes include light changes as a trigger. So when it comes to design, one could argue that the Vital 200S is the better option for those with tight spaces, as you can place it closer to the wall without obstructing the airflow. But does that make it better at filtering pollutants? Let's first talk about the filters. In August 2023, Levoit discontinued the use of the term true HEPA in their marketing after a challenge brought by Dyson to the Better Business Bureau. So now if you visit the product pages on Levoit's website, you'll find that the Vital 200S and the Core 400S are both classed as HEPA when in sleep mode. This sounds strange, but it is normal for particle filters to have different efficiency ratings depending on the speed of the airflow going through the filters. I think perhaps we will start to see a change in the way manufacturers refer to filters in their devices as more brands get challenged. But back to the Vital 200S and the 400S. You get a removable pre-filter with the 200S, which is easier to clean, and you can even wash it and dry it if you don't want to vacuum it. The 400S, on the other hand, comes with a pre-filter mesh that is connected to the main filter. So you will have to remove the whole thing to vacuum larger particles to ensure that they don't obstruct airflow. After living with both pre-filters for a few years, I cannot say that I much prefer the removable pre-filter of the Vital, as it makes much less of a mess when you clean it. In terms of the main filters themselves, you get a rectangular design with the 200S and a cylindrical design with the 400S. But regardless of shape, in both cases, the particle and carbon filters are bonded together. Based on our tests, we have seen that combining filters this way helps with overall CADR compared to separate filters, but it also means that you will have to replace the whole thing when the carbon runs out, even if the particle filter has life in it. Both filters have pelleted activated carbon as standard, and you also get different options with more carbon in the form of the PET filter, the toxin absorber filter, and the smoke remover filter. For those wanting to tackle unwanted odours, the best combination is the Levoit Core 400S with the smoke remover filter, as it has 450 grams of carbon. Fun fact, this is actually the maximum amount of carbon you can get across all Levoit models on the market. But let's move on to our in-house performance test to see what these filters can do. We run our own CADR test to assess the performance at different fan speeds and sound levels. First, let's look at how long it took both units to clean our test room of incense smoke when running at their full power. When we account for natural ventilation in our test room, we estimate that running each model at top speed offers a PM1 CADR of 249 CFM. To break the tie, let's calculate the cost per CADR of each unit. With the same top speed CADR and a lower list price, the Vital 200S offers the most power per dollar spent, and so it wins this round. But what about performance at lower fan speeds? I measured how much sound both models generated at each fan speed from 3 feet away and learned that the Core 400S was 4% louder than the Vital 200S when running at top speed. When we incorporate the sound data, you can see that the Core 400S runs a little louder to achieve that same level of air cleaning performance. But I know that most people won't want to run their air purifier at top speed all the time, so I found the highest speed at which each model stays under 45 decibels, which is about the noise of a library or classroom. At speed 2, the Core 400S generates 43.2 decibels and was able to reach PM10 in 44 minutes. And when running the Vital 200S on speed 2, it completed the test in 46 minutes at a quieter 41.9 decibels. So when it comes to quiet performance, there is a 2-minute difference between the two models in favour of the Core 400S. The next thing I want to talk about is the quality of the sound. Now, this is a little subjective, but I feel that the rectangular Vital design leads to a type of sound that is easier on the ear compared to the circular humming coming out of the cylindrical Core 400S. But have a listen for yourself. By the way, I've estimated PM1 CADR for each device running at each speed. The Core 400S gives you slightly better performance at quiet speeds, but the difference is small enough that your choice will likely come down to which fan pitch is easier on your ears. Alright, but what about the electric bill? Let's look at energy consumption. I use my energy meter to measure how much electricity each of these air purifiers pulls at different fan speeds and on standby. As the sound data already showed us, we can see there is a difference in electricity consumption between the two, with the Vital 200S being a little more power hungry at all fan speeds with the exception of speed 2. If you were to run both of these models 24/7 all year round at top speed, you could expect to spend $47.68 for the Core 400S and $53.58 with the Vital 200S. So I'm giving the energy consumption round to the Core 400S. But let's calculate how much it will cost you to run both models. Levoit recommends replacing the filters in the Core 400S and Vital 200S every 12 months, and the filter replacements cost $49.99. We can now add this to the electricity cost to calculate the yearly running costs. As the Vital 200S uses a little more energy at top speed, it costs a little more to run. But let's combine running costs with the initial purchase price to work out your total investment in the first year. When we account for the higher list price for the Levoit Core 400S, you can see that this model will cost a little more in the first year. Okay, so we went through every single aspect of these units, so which Levoit model is best? At top speed, performance is the same, but I think the real big difference comes to the design of each model. For the bedroom, I personally prefer the Vital 200S because I prefer the quality of the sound at lower fan speeds, thanks to its rectangular design, and I appreciate being able to trigger routines based on light changes. For the kitchen, I would go for the Core 400S paired with the smoke remover filter, as you will get extra carbon to help with cooking odours and smoke. And the laser sensor will make the auto mode more responsive and a lot more useful when you're cooking. For pet owners, I think the removable pre-filter in the Vital 200S will be a benefit because it's a lot easier to vacuum or rinse off pet hair without having to remove the whole filter. And if you're looking for a unit you can place in the corner of a room, the cylindrical 400S will be great. But if you've got a tight space and are forced to place the device against a wall, then the Vital 200S will be best as you won't be restricting the airflow. All in all, both models are excellent mid-sized air purifiers that offer good air cleaning performance without breaking the bank. But if you want to save yourself a few bucks, then you can go with the cheaper Vital 200S, knowing that you will get yourself a good deal. As always, I dropped shopping links for both models in the description below. If you use them, then we will get a small commission over the sale that won't cost you anything, but will make a big difference to our channel. And if you own one of these two Levoit units, could you spare a few minutes to share your experience in the comments? It will really help others who are doing their research before buying. With that, I leave you and I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, I forgot to say that if you live in Europe, don't buy the Core 400S before watching the video where I compare the EU version to the US version of the 400S. And if you're gearing towards the Vital 200S, then be sure to check out my long-term review after 3 years of using this model in our home. Okay, time to go for real.